Hi, I'm Dave Parker, Master Plumber and CEO of ER Plumbing Services, here to talk to you about waterline services. As a Charlotte plumbing company, we offer top-notch quality installation and repair of residential, commercial, and industrial water lines. Your water line is responsible for bringing in fresh water from the main municipality, well, or reservoir. The water lines are beneath the ground, hidden from your sight. These lines are durable and long-lasting. However, over time, deterioration may occur. Despite the precautionary measures that you may take, there are certain waterline damages you cannot prevent. Unprotected piping, changes in pressure, or freezing temperature are some of the causes of burst pipes. Here at ER Plumbing, we've been serving the Charlotte area since 1997. That means we've got over 20 years of experience fixing water main breaks and dealing with waterline issues of all varieties. We've got the staff, trucks, and experience to quickly solve your waterline needs. To schedule service, call ER Plumbing today, 704-846-5371, or you can visit us at erplumbing.com, where you're serviced once, client for life.